Hello, teacher. According to presentation one, my name is Ingrid Catherine Vargas. I remember that when I was the leader, I got every Sunday at 6 a.m. because my favorite dolls began the story of the Green Brothers, where different stories were told. The one I liked the most was the Little Red Hood because, at being soon and innocent and kinder first into the hands of hungry wolves and thoughts to a king hunter, she's meaning to give the girl of for stomach and it isn't that this is cartoon through the different stories always left us great lesson, but the one that impact me the most and left me very sad is was the story of a very poor family but with many children and she felt that he had to defeat good father for her youngest son with Wolf and searching chief audit chief profits my that is the left he saw the world never been in youth and the father accepted um the little but great and his love for serving other mother his good father did and his hard work so that although sit without I wolf be saved but only did defining what could they thank him in the Indiana Jones many wanted to say everyone for the reason he's often opposite but in punishing and shorted the candle of his life finally in desert to say deep she say no to a girl, and he saw her the death of the so her good father extinguished it in the boy died 7 alive. Remember his story very lesson of my life. In record his recording, I am very happy. Thank you.